Emmanuel College is a Catholic secondary school in the western suburbs of Melbourne. In 2008, given the growth corridor within the west, we expanded into 2 campuses. So we now have a 7 to 12 all-boys campus in Altona North and a 7 to 12 co-ed campus in Point Cook. When I began at Emmanuel College 5 years ago, I identified a challenge in our lack of strategic implementation of contemporary digital technologies.
Unfortunately, the solution which we used to have didn't cater our requirements. And that's when we started to explore options which will integrate with our classrooms. And that's when we reached out to CommBox and Vivi to see if the solution is the right solution for us.
We're really passionate about innovations here at Emmanuel College. We have been at the forefront in a number of innovations across Catholic education within Melbourne. The combination of CommBox and Vivi offered the opportunity for us to not only project, but to actually interact as well.
The CommBox and Vivi allowed us to have a touchscreen capabilities. In our previous solution, we didn't have a touchscreen, but with the CommBox, we have a touchscreen which integrates very well with our e-apps.
I think the reaction to the CommBox has been really positive. It's a new piece of technology when they came in this year, so they were really excited and we kind of learnt together how to use it.
The reaction to the use of the Vivi and the CommBox by the students has been quite smooth. It's something that they are very familiar with already through the use of their devices that they engage with.
By having the CommBox and Vivi technology combined together, it really makes it, I guess, a lot more intuitive to what we've previously known. We've had smartphones, we've had touchscreen computers. Now we've progressed to having a learning environment which matches our skill sets as students.
And it creates a sense of excitement when we're using it in a different way and we're using it in a way that really engages the students.
Generally, we will all work together on the board to come up with conclusions or interpretations about a text. It really allows us all to come together and brainstorm our ideas rather than having to work on, say, a whiteboard or individual pieces of paper. It makes the process so much simpler, and we have the ability to scan notes from QR codes to give to someone who either can't see the board or may not be present in the classroom.
It is one of the major project for CommBox in Australia. They promised that the whole project will complete within 4 weeks.
The logistics to get 189 screens on site, on time, it involves a lot of pre-work.
I was so surprised that they actually went earlier than what they proposed as their scheduled end time, and everything was done in perfection.
I don't have a doubt at all about recommending CommBox and Vivi as a solution to other schools. The opportunities it offers alongside the support that's provided mean that it just is cutting-edge technology for our teachers and our students.
It creates a new dimension to the classroom that makes it a lot more interactive and a lot more collaborative. It's one of those technologies that I find that will be in the classroom for a very long time.
I also would really recommend Vivi just with its ability to do things like the timers, things like the polls, the wellbeing applications there. There are so many opportunities to explore to help engage your students and their wellbeing in the classroom.
So far, I would say Vivi and CommBox is one of my best decisions after I started working at Emmanuel College.